Kia ora koutou, ko Emily tōku ingoa, he kaiako wharitonga ahau, no mai ki tōku whare. Hi everyone, my name's Emily, I'm an educator at the Otago Museum. Welcome to my house. I've got a cute little craft for you and your whānau to do today. It's a hanging bat decoration. So you can decide whether you want to make this with the wings folded up like it's roosting, or with the wings out. You can hang it wherever you like. You could even put it on the Christmas tree at the end of the year. Bats are really cool little mammals, often misunderstood though. They're mammals just like you and me. There's over 1,300 species in the world. They're the only mammals that can fly, and I mean fly properly. There are some other mammals that can glide, like sugar gliders, but bats are the only ones that can fly. Now, they have a reputation for drinking blood, but there are only 3 species in the world that do that. They're the 3 species of vampire bat. So of those over 1,300 species, only 3 do that. Most bats eat insects and grubs and fruit, pollen and nectar. Now in New Zealand we have 2 species of bats. We have the long-tailed bat and the lesser short-tailed bat. The long-tailed bat is an aerial predator, so it hunts insects on the wing. The lesser short-tailed bat spends part of its time with its wings folded up, crawling around on the forest floor, looking for bugs and grubs and fruit and things like that to eat. Our native bat populations have been hit pretty hard by what humans have done to New Zealand. So we've destroyed a lot of their habitat, we introduced lots of predators like cats and rats and stoats, and we disturbed their population a lot as well, so through human disturbance. And those things are thought to have led to the probable extinction of our 3rd species of bat, which is the greater short-tailed bat. So we need to celebrate the bat and do everything we can to protect our remaining 2 species. So enjoy this craft. It's really cute, it's a lot of fun. You can decorate your whole house with lots of bats. Make sure you print the template off the website and enjoy. Ka kite anō.